In today's video, we are going to show you how to post a manual journal in Xero. Manual journals are useful when you need to adjust balances, record depreciation, accruals, prepayments, or corrections that can't be entered through regular invoices or bills. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to click the Accounting. Scroll down until you find the Manual Journals. This will take you to the Manual Journals screen where you can view existing journals, or in this case, create a new one if you haven't already. Click the Create New Journal, and what will happen is you will be forwarded to this section. You need to fill in the following. You can put the narration, date, for example, April 30th. You can choose to check these boxes if you want to have a default narration to journal line description or show journal on cash basis reports. It's up to you. You can put some description, account if you want, tax rate, of course, you can put in the amount if you wanted. And if you want to add a new line, you can also do that. Now, before posting, double check the date, confirm the accounts, ensure debits and credits balance, verify the amount. Accuracy is very important since manual journals directly affect your financial statements. That's why there is a warning message here. But if you are sure, click the post button. And that's it. Your manual journal has now been recorded in Xero. Now, if you want to create a new repeating journal, you can do that. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you post a manual journal in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.